Hey everyone, Glenn Andrews here from glenn-andrews.com. In this video I'm going to show you exactly how to get your photos to show up in the search results. So when somebody goes and they type in a product or service that you're offering, your picture is going to show up next to your URL in the search results. This is going to help you do a couple different things. It's going to help you stand out more. It's going to help you get more clicks. Okay, so let's dive right into this. First thing we need to do is have a Google Plus account. So if you don't have one, just type in Google Plus into your web browser and you're going to have to register for the Google Plus account, and it is free. Okay, if you have one set up already, you're going to go ahead and go to your Google Plus account, and I'm going to walk you through this step by step. I'm here at my Google Plus account. First thing I'm going to do is click on my profile. And then I'm going to come over here and click on Edit Profile. Okay, I'm going to scroll down a little bit. First thing we're going to do is come over here to the +1. Click on that. And make sure this box is clicked. It says show this tab on your profile. Okay, just make sure that's checked. And then let's scroll down a little bit. Oh, hold on. Okay. Once we've finished that, we're going to scroll down here a little bit. Make sure all this is filled out. And what we're looking for here is your email addresses. You have a home email address and you'll have a work email address. Make sure your work email address is tied into your website URL. Okay, my website URL is glenn-andrews.com. And I have info@glenn-andrews.com as my work email. Okay, if these are set up properly and they're confirmed, you'll see check marks over here. If they're not confirmed, then you won't. These will be red, I believe, is what they were prior to me verifying them. Okay, these have to be verified. Okay, so that's number 2. Okay, then let's scroll down here a little further. Make sure you fill out your profiles with all your social media. Contributor 2. Okay, this is important. You have to add your blog here. So I click on this, and what you do is you add a title here up top, and then you add your URL here to your home page. Okay, add anything else that you want to. If you're a contributor to other websites, if you have other websites that you want to set up, you can do the same thing. But for this one, I'm just going to be talking about this one blog here that I have. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do it on one here, and you can do it to the rest of them. Okay, so there's your contributor file. After you're done with that, you're just going to click Done Editing. Okay, done editing at the top. You just click on Done Editing. And then you see up top here where it has your profile URL. You're going to grab that URL. So you just highlight it, copy it, and then we're going to bring it over to our blog. Now, if you have a website, you can also get this exact information from Google itself. I left all the information on my site, and everything else that you're going to need is on my site. Just click the link below. It'll take you directly to the page where you can get all this information. Okay, next you're going to go over to your dashboard of your WordPress blog. So I'm going to go over to mine. We're going to install an easy plugin for this, okay? That's going to make this real simple. It's going to add a author page to the bottom of all your posts. This way, it'll tie right into your Google Plus page, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. So the first thing we're going to do is go to Plugins. And the plugin we're going to install is AuthorSure. So we're going to add new. Just go ahead and type in AuthorSure. And you'll just click in Search Plugins. If you go to my page, you'll have everything written out for you here. Okay, it's right at the top here. Russell Jameson is who it's this produced by. You're going to have this installed. Just go ahead and install it and activate it. I already have it done on my site. So what we're going to do is go to my installed plugins. Okay, once you've installed it, just go ahead and find it. And did I pass it here? It must be at the top. It's right here. Okay. We're going to have to go to our settings. And then you'll come down here to AuthorSure. Click on that. Opens up this page. And what we're going to do is go through this step by step to set this up. Okay, first it's author indicator. Okay, you're going to have an author box. Okay, this is going to be shown at the end of each post. Okay, it can be your pages and posts if you want it to be. You can decide what you want to do with it. But this is how Google Plus is going to tie into all your pages and posts. Okay, it's about here. You don't have to do anything here. You don't have to do anything here. Now, if you don't have a Gravatar, you should get one. Okay, and you can just click on this link or follow the instructions that are in my post here below to get a Gravatar. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. But a Gravatar is great because it actually pulls up a photo view every time you make a comment on somebody else's blog, or you make a post comment somewhere else to do with anything. Your picture is going to show up. So it has a lot of good things, and you should have a Gravatar. It shouldn't just be a blank photo. Okay, so get a Gravatar, and then we're not going to check any of these boxes. Keep coming down here. And then we're going to check the box that says bottom. Choose this option to have the author's credit appear at the bottom of category tag archive pages. Okay? Okay. Author name prefix updated by. Okay. Primary author, of course, is going to be your name. If you have many authors, you can choose who you want, but this will be your name here. You can show archive intro if you want as well. Okay. Here's where you're going to place that code. See how it has the http://google.com/? Okay. You're going to post the remainder of that URL in here. Okay, I actually copied the whole thing. You don't have to actually copy the whole thing. It's just the everything after the google.com/ that you copy and paste it in here. Now, you can leave the about in here, or you can take it out and just leave the numbers if you want to. I just left it the way that it is. Okay, make sure that's there. That you're getting this directly from the Google page URL of your profile. Okay, then scroll down here, show title. Click that. Title text is about Glenn Andrews. Okay, author bio. You can check summary, or you can have the extended summary, which is the full summary. I just checked the summary. Okay, then I put Let's Connect here. Contact method, subtitle, Let's Connect. Okay. 24 pixels, it's going to be your Google Plus icon. And you can show icons only. And then you just add Facebook, the text that you want to show up here, Google Plus, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube. Put them all here if you want to use all of them, or the ones that you want to specify. Post list heading, I just put recent posts. Most of this stuff is filled out for you, so you don't really have to do much here. Okay, then the rest of this, just leave it as it is. Okay, then you can come down here and click Save Changes, and everything's going to be all set. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your users. Okay, it says all user here. Go to your users in your WordPress dashboard here and scroll down to your profile. Click on your profile, and it's bringing up your entire profile here. Make sure this is filled out. Your first name, last name, nickname, display name publicly as, okay, it's my name. I have my email address here that I'm using within my Google Plus account. And then, of course, I have my Facebook URL, Google Plus URL, the full URL that you can paste right in here that we took off of our Google Plus URL from our browser before. Then you can add your LinkedIn URL, your Twitter URL, your YouTube channel URL. You can add all those in here. Okay, then you're going to come down here and put in your bio about you. Okay? Here's what I want you to know though. In the bottom here, you're going to paste in a piece of code that I've given you on my website here. Okay? I believe it's on in step number 9 here on my page on the blog post. Paste that at the bottom. Okay? And it's going to have your Google Plus come up on at the bottom of each of your blog post bios, and I'm going to show you how that looks here in a second. But you just paste that in here with the HTML and all, okay, just as I have it on my blog post. And then what you're going to do is just come down here and click update. You don't have to check this box, just click update. And then let's go to one of my posts and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, if we scroll down to the bottom, I'm going to have a little author page here at the bottom of all my posts. Okay, it also has my Google Plus account here, which ties in. This is how Google sees the author. Okay, it's about Glenn Andrews, and it talks about me. This is my website here. This is my Google Plus account. Okay, this is vital if you're going to get your picture to show up within the Google search results when somebody types in a product or service or finds a post or archive of yours. Okay, so this makes it real simple. This adds all the special coding that needs to see this real author that you see at the bottom show up. This is what this does for you, this author box. Okay, one more thing that I did is I also added a badge to my widget section, my Google Plus badge. And I gave you the code to that in step number 8 here below. That you can just take that code as it is, make sure that you put in your own Google Plus profile ID, and then add it to your widget section. And this is going to benefit you as well. So let's just see where my widget section is. Here it is. If I go to the widget section, I come over here and I just put that code, the code that I've given you right here, into the widget section. Okay? And I'll show you what that looks like here as well. Scroll over here. Whoop. Okay, you see the widget section here. Okay, this takes you directly to my Google Plus account. Okay, now you can also test and make sure that your site is set up properly. Let me show you what you're looking for here. If everything's set up right, I gave you the code below in this post here to go to Google Webmaster Tools to check and make sure that, and I even gave you the code for the Gravatar here. But at the bottom, let me just show you. If you click on here, this will take you to Google Webmaster Tools, where you can just type in your URL, and Google will tell you if you have your pages and your Google Plus account tied in together properly, so that they can index and grab your photo and put a author page or author photo next to all your posts and pages and information. Okay, but if we go to, let's just type in see how my photo pops up here? That's exactly what you want to have happen. Okay, and Google will tell you if you're set up properly. So leave me a comment or question below and let me know what you think. And if you're having any problems, let me know. I'll see if I can help you out. I'll talk to you soon. Take care.